Hi friends, I'm back again with my new video. In this video we are going to see two types of problems. One is like this, 1015 into 1003. These numbers are near the base numbers, and the second type is 605 multiplied by 612. These numbers are near the sub-base numbers. We will see few problems like these. But before that I am going to tell you one short story. There was a boy who lived in a very good family whose parents were very happy with him. They always loved him. But he was always worried about few things and he was always complaining about the things, and one day his father saw him crying. So his father asked him, "Why are you crying, my boy?" And he told him that, "See father, I have a lot of problems in my life. I have problems in my school, I have problems at home, and my homework is not complete." And he told many problems to his father. So his father listened to him patiently, and at the end of his story, he told him to bring a bowl and three things: potatoes, eggs, and few coffee beans. His father told him to touch each of them and feel. He felt all of them are same. They are all hard to feel. So father told him, now what you do, you boil them in different containers, in different vessels for a few minutes. And after some time, when the water cooled down, his father told him to again see what now does he feel by touching them. So he touched all of them again and he said to his father, "Now father, the potato is feeling very soft. Eggs have become hard and strong. And there is very good aroma coming from coffee beans." So moral of the story is, everybody has to face some hardships. It all depends on us, how we take those hardships and come out from it. I hope you like the story. Now we will see how to solve these problems. 1015 multiplied by 1003. How to solve it? We will take base number as 1000. 1015 is 15 greater than 1000. So we write 1015 as 1015 plus 15. And similarly 1003 as 1003 plus 3, because it is 3 more than 1000. Now the answer has two parts, left hand side and right hand side. In the right hand side, we just multiply these terms. So 15 3s are 45 is our RHS, right hand side part. But in RHS we need 3 digits because the number of zeros in the base are 3. So we prefix one 0 here. And in the left hand side part, what we do is just add these terms, 1015 plus 3 or 1003 plus 15. So when we add these terms, the answer is 1018. So the final answer becomes 1018045. So you see, this method is very simple. We will take one multiplication of 3 digits, 108 into 113. So 108 is 108 plus 8, because here the base is 100, it is 8 more than the base, and 113 can be written as 113 plus 13 because it is 13 more than the base. Now what we do for our answer? In RHS part, right hand side part, we multiply these numbers. What is 13 8s are? 13 8s is 104. And in the left hand side part, we either add 108 plus 13 or 113 plus 8. So 113 plus 8 is 121. But in the RHS we need only 2 digits. And here there are 3 digits. Then what we do? We add this digit to left hand side part. So 121 plus 1 becomes 122, and this 04 we write them as they are. So this is our answer, 12204. So now we are going to see how to multiply two numbers which are near the sub-base numbers. 508 multiplied by 512. So how do we solve it? 508 is 508 plus 8 because here the sub base number is 500. It is 8 more than 500, so we can write 508 as 508 plus 8. And 512, we write 512 plus 12 because it is 12 more than the base 500. Now we have the answer in the form of LHS and RHS. In the right hand side part, we need multiplication of these numbers. 12 8s are 96. In left hand side part, we either add 508 plus 12 or we add 512 plus 8. The answer is same, 520. There is just one modification in this method when we multiply for sub-base numbers. What we have to do is, we have taken sub-base as 500, so we multiply this part by 5 because it is 5 times of the base 100. So we multiply only this part by 5. What will be the answer? 5 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10, 0 carry 1, 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26. And so the final answer is 260096. So as you can see, this is a very simple method. 907 multiplied by 909. This time we have to take sub-base number 900 because these numbers are near 900. We can write 907 as 907 plus 7 because it is 7 more than the sub-base 900, and 909 as 909 plus 9 because it is 9 more than the base 900. Now there are two parts, LHS and RHS. For the RHS we multiply these, 9 7s are 63, and in the RHS we need 2 digits because there are 2 zeros and we already have 2 digits. In the left hand side part we either add these two numbers or 909 plus 7. So 909 plus 7 or 907 plus 9 is 916. We have to multiply this LHS part by 9 because 900 is 9 times of 100. We multiply this by 9. 9 6 are 54. We write 4 here. 5's carry. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. We take 4 here. 1 is carry. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 1 is 82. So the answer we get is 824463. So as you can see, this is very simple method to solve even bigger multiplication problems. In the next video, we will see general multiplication of any two numbers and we will use very simple trick to solve those problems also. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified when I publish my new video. Thank you.